Welcome to Naples Car and Truck Wash. We offer soft touch and touch-free automatic car washes, along with self-serve bays, including a 100-foot truck bay that features a catwalk on each side for easy cleaning of your semi-trucks, trailers, campers, and RVs. We also have outdoor bays for cranes and lifts. Each self-bay features triple foam and air chamois dryers. We offer free vacuums, and of course our Paws pet wash is a huge hit with pet owners, with tierless pet shampoos and conditioners, including flea and tick treatments as well. We accept credit cards, tokens, fleet, and wash pass accounts. We also offer unlimited wash passes for your convenience. We're open 24/7 with an attendant on duty Monday through Friday. Naples Car and Truck Wash offers better features and more options than most others. Try us out today. We're located at 2183 East Highway 40, right next to Naples Auto Sales.